That's it.
Impressive knock for the monster. Wow. NAOYA INOUE, a statement victory.
So much credit that we have to give to both concepts. Look at that cut there that INOUE.
Here is the former two-division WBC champion and ranked number 5 in the world. El orgullo de Tijuana, Baja California, México. Presentando Luis Pantera Nery.
Please welcome the hard-hitting, undefeated former WBC light flyweight world champion, the former WBO junior bantamweight world champion, and the former undisputed bantamweight champion of the world, introducing NAOYA from...
Metiendo presión ahí precisamente.
Lado de izquierda.
Ahora el Panterita atacante sigue ahora utilizando el jab. Se va a caer el tornado.
Sí.
Y con ambas manos dando una cátedra de boxeo. El castigo.
Ante un ex campeón del mundo y mostrando una contundencia. Tiene unos movimientos defensivos muy...
Nery, combate estelar de la noche. Hacia la cuerda va Rich. Buscando con la derecha el Panterita Nery, también con el exar de tener 21 añitos. Atacando de nuevo, se calma y se va a la lona.
Cuestión de tiempo, cuestión de tiempo.
Vamos a ver
Ya.
la mano izquierda de nuevo, se va a la lona.
Ya.
Futuro campeón del mundo, asegurado el Panterita.
10 seconds in his... そうですか、おっと左フック、はい、おっとジャブ、ネリがストレートの後のこの右のフックですね。これまでおっと右に左の右、ネリがフックが飛んできた。達成するためには何が必要でしょうか。ジャブ、13回の防衛、ネリの左をもらってしまった。井上ネリ、右のジャブ、はい、やらせよ、やらせよ、はい、乗って、ジャブでのネリ、ステップ、バランス崩している、ブロックしている、チャンピオンが下がる、チャンピオンピンチ、チャンピオンピンチ、チャンピオンピンチ、効いている、このラウンド、なんと左、右、なんと山中慎介。
And punches left hand stabbing down to the guts. Weaken your opponent's speed and nearly flawless.
La esquinita caliente atacando con todo Luis Nery. Desde el primer asalto, vamos a ver señores, ahora de nuevo la combinación de parte del Pantera. Era Nery.
A veces no parece...
Ataco ahora el Pantá, atacando. Vamos a ir a una pausa, al regreso. Era Nery, le responde también Villanueva ahora con la mano derecha. Bien, otra vez adicto a las cuerdas. Ahí está la candelita del Pantera Nery, otra vez con todo eléctrico. Filipino atacando con todo el de Tijuana.
Le está haciendo efecto ese golpe.
Señores, la candelita de parte del Pantera Nery. De tú a tú ahora, vamos a... Al rojo el Pantera Nery, lo tiene en la esquina caliente, lo ataca. Y para el rojo. Deben a la lona y decir, bueno, me tengo que levantarme.
En el mundo de quién es Luis Pantera Nery.
Profe, lo más importante.
Land that right hand, which hurt too. And this fight is over.
防衛13回転。
パンチ回転し始めるとこう強さありません。
おっと、しまっている。おっと、ジャブピンチ。いきなり山中ピンチになった。ヒーター。ジャブから一気にネリが来る。ここはブリッジに行きます。第1ラウンド、村田さん。山中がダウンを喫しました。
しっかり。
あ、ヒーター。2階級上のフェザー級の体を作ってきました。山中には神の槍があります。ビギーター。試合終了。
ここまで長くされるチャンピオン、またちょっと飯でも行ってもらえたらそれで僕はいいです。
また振り返りたいと思いますね。
2ラウンドにネリが山中慎介を倒しました。
Both of the men in the final, and just as we say it, the right hand lands, and it's staggered. Nery Togonair.
Moments to the bell as INOUE opens up.
Counter right hand from Nery Togonair.
Wow. This is the home crowd now. Really get behind him. That's a lovely left to the body. Lovely shot. It's not doing what the ref's doing.
You're going to see this guy is defeated at 28-0 right now. So he's only 24 years old. To me, I just, he's got some really nice strength.
Arroyo, an Olympian back in 2008, represented Puerto Rico.
Looks like he had a great warm-up.
His final minute, round 2, scheduled for 10.
That was a short left uppercut.
Needs to apply pressure. Arroyo up against the wall.
Nery's a lot stronger as well.
Down goes Arroyo again.
Never off his feet. Right. Inoue early on. Rodriguez took it, gritted on his gum shield and came back. It's been a good start from Rodriguez. He's eaten a couple there by those punches from Inoue. And there's a right hand gone in too from Inoue. This is a fearsome flurry. And he's got him on the left for the first time in his career. Corner right above us. He's waiting.
2 minutes to go, Jam.
Oh, this is unbelievable for Inoue. Third time he's gone down. Rocks to the core. Another count. It's over.
NAOYA Inoue.
You know, at some point he'll catch up to him like that. That's it. He just needs the Payano to be close.
To catch up with him. This is where he needs to catch up with him on the ropes.
Yep.
All right, so a split decision as far as the...
To me, in the 4th round, you're done.
Got a good body shot early in this round, which Nery.
This is Luis Nery's fight. I'm gonna walk you down.
It should be a gunfight right now. Where he's
Down goes Payano.
he's not gonna make it.
You gotta go, and then the hook right there. And it
Got under the rib before, it's painful.
Movements, feints as well.
It's a good move by Nery.
And our co-main event of this, our second card. That's not going to serve you well. Let's start to pick up the pace.
that brings an end to the fight.
Nery. Quickly. A lot of time left here in round number 1. 122, that's short. He's a fire plug. Came after another left hand. Lands by Nery. Castro's a pretty good boxer. You wonder if he can clear his won't waste energy.
Right, I mean, he's so good.
Castro able to drive him back. Back comes Nery. Round 5 here in final 30 seconds. It was Nery that was throwing the combination.
Ooh,
sharp combination.
That's the way you're gonna come in.
Good shots here by Nery coming in. He has Castro now on the ropes.
Quick with his combination, he can come in and out really quick. Look at this.
And in good position, the Evers. Jab there, great body shot. Really tucked that in with a left hook. And he's hurt the Evers here. End of the second round. He's got 10 seconds to get through. In the first 3.
Well, may have spent quite a lot of energy in that last round.
And he's back on the ropes here. Take that area, and that's another one. And down he goes. Found the answer now. Has the... What are the corner going to do here? And they're going to call it off.
Aguantarle y agarrarle pero sobre todo no me como los golpes, que ahora bien, jugando con los guantes de arriba abajo y nunca sabes dónde tiene un año, digamos, lo pierde con...
Muy inteligente arriba del ring.
Mire que te acecha ahí, cuidado con el caída. Dar su apodo de la pantera que está encontrando al severo. Nada, Gabriel.
Nery,
nada. Y ahí lo vuelve a encontrar. Le estamina la mano derecha. La mano derecha se la vuelve a tirar. No como cualquier zurdo que lo usa para marcar y ahora se va.
Y otra caída más.
Se fue la pantera y ahora regresa Gabriel.
A minute left, retreats to the ropes immediately. NERY looking to tee up with that right hand, left hand of McDonald. Sinks into the ropes again, and Luis Pabon, the referee, has jumped in and waved this off. Inside the first round, Jamie McDonald has been...
Nery unleashed a couple of right hands downstairs. The rough up, Nery. Fought for a moment, it's remaining in the round. And a hard shot from... Look at this. What a body shot by her. He's in it, what a left hand. And look at this, it's hurt, and down he goes. Crazy Ace survives. When you hear battle of attrition, and that is it, in an absolute classic.
right hand over the top, just missed by Salazar. Interesting round one here in Metepec, Mexico. Missing with the left. Right hand missing by Salazar. NERY coming back in round one from Metepec. Right hand, left hand. And we're seeing that power out of nowhere.
NERY driving Salazar back with a left and a right. That's what's supposed to happen. The stakes were so high.
And that was a vertical cut. That was not going to be just clearly. And that's what you get when you have a 100. And there you see the volume and the power of NERY.
大舞台にも臆することなくチャンピオン。あっとショートだ。井上ショートが近づいている。